Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video. So guys, in this video I will tell two very good opportunity coming from same company, that is Mitsogo, and hiring for the role of software engineer guys, and here Python full stack developer, and required qualification for this opportunity guys. So let's start with this one. Okay, so hiring for the role of software engineer and required qualification guys, if you have done B Tech, then you can apply for this opportunity, and all branches can apply for this opportunity guys. And branches guys, so fresher hiring, so below 2023 batches can apply for this opportunity. 19, 20, 21, 22 and 23 batches can apply for this opportunity. Okay, and job location Chennai clearly they have mentioned. Okay, and here some skills they have mentioned. So before applying, don't forget to make changes on your resume, so you can see understanding of hoops and knowledge of software development life cycle and problem solving skill and knowledge in Python in much appreciated. Okay, so these are the required skills for this opportunity guys. So before applying, once it and after that simply apply. Okay, so how you can apply? Just scroll down and you can see application form is there. So fill your full name, email ID, contact numbers, location and photo, and after that upload your resume, and after that cover letter, and click submit and simply apply. So this is how you can apply for this opportunity guys. So now let's move to next opportunity, that is from same company and hiring for the role of Python full stack developer, and job location Kochi, Chennai they have mentioned. And for this opportunity guys, if you have 1 or 3 year of work experience, then you can apply for this opportunity. Okay, and required qualification guys, same bachelor degree and master degree can apply for this opportunity, and batches guys below 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity. Means if you have 1 year of work experience, then you can apply for this opportunity. 2019 to 2022 batches can apply for this opportunity, and here some skills they have mentioned. So don't forget to make changes on your resume, so chances will be high for shortlist. Okay, so fill all this skill on your resume. So Java, HTML5 and CSS, so this is front end and back end also. Okay, so include all this thing and after that apply. Okay, so how can apply? Fill your full name, email ID, phone numbers, location, photo, and after that your resume and cover letter, click submit and simply apply. So this is how you can apply for this two opportunity. So if you face any problem, you can do comments and you can directly contact us on Instagram. So guys, both applying and Instagram link given in the description, so check description for more information guys. And also before submitting the form, make sure that you rechecking your form so that there will be no mistake. Okay guys.